Jizima Vamadamalaja, Zalo, Jazraman Bamajin, Kijiro, the Damaji, Javan, Juma, Chazatanga, and the Kawa, Janet, Vision Bakamata, Rata Jira Bamachas, Jimbajan, Bajamajim, and the Gadi was about the Thai and Bajajama, Malvat, Javis, Echin to 10 much and the wrong you get that to the Magamajin. Libame Baguan, much as a judgment of some power, one of the Chairman, the chance of taste, and the patch of Perdu than Joma. Ye community Shabjin and the member to Bashin Barma chance of doing Jiba Chimper, the Japan Bajama Chijan and Denze. Drought and the mother so much chance of conscious and charges, so me to Ganabajima Malichu, you got a Jimarang to Rab the Gawajibu, Ginger, and Bemajabra to the right, and Gidemonism chances.
So we are here half an hour early to offer some prayers for generally all kinds of situations in the world, especially what's happening here in Australia, bushfire, and also currently the virus that's spreading in China and beyond. There's a statement by Buddha that all phenomena are sort of driven by cause and condition. And of all the cause and condition, the most powerful cause and the condition is our mind, or especially our motivation, intention. So some of us may wonder that our gathering here and doing some prayers, just not really going out there and fighting with fire or fighting with a virus, may not have any impact, but this is not the case. Actually, the most powerful thing we can really send is the right motivation, and generate the right motivation. So it is with this motivation in our heart, we will do some prayers. So first, as taught in many of the Mahayana sutras, let us just sit and breathe out and send all our good thoughts, blessings, and then breathe in and take all the problems, calamities, ailment, degeneration. In this way, let's do this Tonglen for a few minutes. Okay, now as I believe that most of us here gathered here are somewhat connected to the Vajrayana Buddhism, so we will apply the Vajrayana method of praying to Aryatara, who is known for swift and powerful and compassionate embodiment of all the Buddhas in the form of the female bodhisattva, especially praised for being powerful in this kind of situation. So let's follow Khenpo here. Yes. Savarana imam gagana kanso Ame salvadada Gebe salvatayami Savarana imam gagana kanso 下一页见呀也，可乐上的确真切，却言这八方干嘛这么可切切，我们阿拉巴丁别。阿罗给根的想的对哦，再下一季页。我们就是这么唱着在这把野马把见。 罗当扎玛切宗杰曲杰山杰对山杰瓦的上玛相思东别大瓦格的冈瓦江的早北山玛阿玛东扎草巴南杰。 Jardo Ramba Ma Chaza Semo Chene Je Peme Chane Namba Jiba Tende Kadu Je Zaba Sunde Pe Chaza Deji Shebe Zodo Tae Namba Mare Pare Chimba Dombe Jave Seji Shindo Dhamma Chansa Tuda Rang Yege Dada Choda Nanga Jiden Dumbo Shabje Nende Viva Viva Gugwa Viva Dzongsar Jigme Ma Samba Long Lama Dzogchen Choma Chomba Rama Dzana Meyen Soje Tene Doma Chanza Jigme Jadam Bejin Pare Chugo Rabda Joma Eba Enjan Shabje Memba Chuba Shindu Bama Chanza Sanye Jima Chenpo Dije Pawa Namba Joma Chanyi Tunye Banze Jawa Tanche Mali Soma Chaji Sume Tuga Namba Jema Mali Choje Kone Jemi Chazarata Gawaji Ujjani Didan Jiden Wanda Chaza Saji Jeguvani Lanye Ma Chunye Yoye Ge Humba Tamje Namba Joma Chaza Dare Dole Jamba Tamje Shindu Bama Rabe Chanye Tawe Shindu Waran Ma Chaza Kabi Hani Reta Wari Chawe Winani Ma Ye Chayang Gene Gone Chaye Gone Namba Joma Chaza Soye Joma Tiji Naje Jaje Dongma Chunye Jenze Yige Hongi Rinpa Dimbo Namni Gema Chanza Dema Gema Shima Deji Juni Ma Soha Unda Yamba Dange Dewa Jimbo Jumba Yema Chanza Kundi Puragari Jaya Gema Yige Jibema Yige Jiva Jumani Ma Chanza Honge Nambe Sabini Ma Jira Menda Jide Suna Yoani Ma Jaza Maye Suna Riza Daji Chana Ma Tara Nije Vaje Tunda Mali Bani Sa Chanza Maye Suna Kadame Jida Ma Gene Goja Gawa Jide Sadame Ma Basi Chaza Nima Dawa Ji Jenye Bana Vera Sama Hara Nije Dudara Shindu Jabe Rimde Sama Chanza Deni Shive tu zanyang da dhamma dhamma Chomba du re rangjo nima Tsering aje tu bandi Chazi wani nishu tsaji Wama changza jitse dhamma dhamma Tata raye tuwa Tiki Kome Kure Bama Dala Chancho Suji So Tare Name Tashi Nele Taji Jungwa Me Demba Sang Deje Juba Kanjo Simbo La Zomba Ningji Sendang Denju Dene Laju Da Sam Yende Gana Kulejo Jigo Namla Nindang Cendo Chula Jeba Sho. We should continue pray for the well-being of this earth. I think we human beings, we don't contribute enough. We take too much. I don't have to tell you this. Everyone here knows this. But I am myself guilty of taking too much. We should continue to pray for the not only the well-being of the earth, but also the beings that have lost their life, especially during the bushfire. I heard so many, and probably we are not even counting all the insects. And then also what's happening in Wuhan, in China. There's so many of my own friends sort of stuck there. Everybody suspicious of each other. And locked in a place. It is, I like to sort of send my concern and good wishes and prayers and blessings. I'm sure it must be so tough for people. But I'd like to, I don't know. I mean, it's easy for us here who is not a direct victim of the situation to say these things. But nevertheless, I'd like to encourage them to be patient and to be strong. Especially in China, they have always been very strong, individually and as a society, and I'm sure that they will continue to do this. I hear a lot of incredible, accounts of individuals, doctors and nurses, and also just, ordinary human beings, ordinary people who positions or power or money, who have done incredible, shows incredible compassion and kindness and caring at this day and age. This is just, so, I don't know, it's kind of very, when situation like this happens, I think our Buddha nature also manifest many times. So this is something so rejoiceable. I like to constantly pray, and we should all join praying for quick resolution to this, and further we human beings have awareness on how to deal with earth and also how to, how to live life on this fragile earth.